The battle for AI supremacy is really about which tools actually work in your daily flow. OpenAI dropped GPT 5.1 on November 13th with adaptive reasoning. So it automatically scales its thinking to match your task. When you need to draft client emails, summarize meetings, or generate content, it responds instantly. There's also a speed mode specifically designed for customer service chatbots and real-time interactions. If you're building automation into your business, GPT 5.1 gives you one model that handles both quick tasks and complex reasoning without switching tools. On November 24th, Anthropic released Claude Opus 4.5, and it's built for people who need AI to handle deep work. If you're building AI agents that need to orchestrate multi-step workflows across tools, Opus 4.5 handles ambiguity better than Sonnet 4.5. This update also addressed the security issue, which now actively resists prompt injection attacks. Google made a huge power shift this November. On the 18th, they didn't just release Gemini 3 Pro, they launched an entire AI ecosystem designed to compete at every level. Let's break down what you can actually use. First, Gemini 3 Pro itself. This introduces what Google calls generative interfaces. Instead of just giving you text answers, the AI builds interactive applications on the spot based on what you need. As for a mortgage calculator, Gemini doesn't explain how mortgages work. It generates a working calculator with sliders, input fields, and real-time calculation outputs you can manipulate immediately. Then there's Google Anti-Gravity. This is an agent-first development platform that changes the way you code. It's an IDE built as a fork of VS Code. It allows you to plan, execute, and verify entire features across your editor, terminal, and browser. Tell Anti-Gravity to build a new component, and it writes the code, launches the app in the terminal, tests it in the browser, and then validates functionality. Anti-Gravity is Google's answer to Cursor, designed for delegating complete tasks, not just assisting with code. For video, VO3 powers cinematic experiences, generating up to 60-second clips at 1080p with native audio, dialogue, effects, and ambience. Notebook LM slots in as your AI research partner. It creates podcast overviews, flashcards, study guides, and infographics. The ecosystem play matters here. Google isn't just releasing models, they're building an integrated workflow. If you're a solopreneur or a small team competing against companies with dedicated operations staff, this gives you enterprise-level capacities without the enterprise team. Google AI Studio has a feature called Stream Real-Time. Instead of explaining your code, you show it. All right. We're at Google AI Studio, so we're going to click Chat with Models. We're going to use the newest one, Gemini 2.5 for this. Then we're going to click Share Screen. From there, we're going to select the app that you want to work on. I'm going to select an app called Plant Daddy that I built in Replit. Gemini, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen.
I'm going to scroll through the app, look at it, and give me some suggestions on how I can improve the UI.
Okay, I see a plant dashboard and some community updates and recommended products. To give you the best suggestions for improvement, could you tell me what aspects or goals you're most interested in enhancing?
Also, if you've been vibe coding apps and have problems that you really don't know how to work through, this can be a starting point to getting into deeper research. This tool and other Google initiatives are really game changers for people who have creative ideas, but not necessarily the technical output or background to be able to produce them. So this is really an exciting time for creatives. If you're interested in tips like this, connect with us in the Substack. If you feel like you don't have a grasp on ChatGPT, OpenAI really made it easy for you. They've released prompt packs on their OpenAI Academy. You've got prompts for sales, customer success, product management, engineers, HR, IT, executives, government, and higher education. Check out the OpenAI Academy website and go to the prompts that are applicable to your role. There is literally no excuse anymore. What are you going to build?